Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Newmar Essex 4502 diesel pusher is a testament to the highest level of performance and luxury in the RV market. This next model, which promises an unmatched blend of elegant living, cutting-edge technology, and robust power, is a refined evolution of Newmar's flagship line and is intended for individuals who desire the greatest possible mobile living experience. The 2026 Newmar Essex 4502's powerful diesel pusher engine is its core component. This vehicle is anticipated to carry on the Newmar reputation for strong chassis and powerful engines. It will produce a significant amount of horsepower and torque thanks to a Cummins diesel engine, most likely a potent ISX-15 or a similar model. This guarantees smooth interstate driving, secure climbing of steep gradients, and the capacity to pull a heavy load, like a car or trailer, without sacrificing efficiency. An innovative air-riding suspension system ensures a very smooth and quiet ride, absorbing road irregularities to produce a tranquil travel environment, while the sturdy Freightliner or Spartan chassis offers a stable and safe basis. Modern brakes and steering systems, along with sophisticated driver assistance capabilities, could improve drivability and make such a big car surprisingly doable. Luxury living really comes to life in the interior of the 2026 Newmar Essex 4502. Throughout, Tiffin's commitment to fine craftsmanship and upscale finishes is apparent. The floor layout, which is probably the well-liked 4502 arrangement, provides a large and well-thought-out living area. The warmth of handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, the beauty of polished porcelain tile flooring, and the coziness of plush, high-end furniture welcome guests as soon as they walk in. Comfortable sofas, recliners, and a huge, high-definition smart TV, often with a fireplace for extra ambience, are all part of the living area's design for both entertainment and leisure. With its premium stainless steel equipment, solid surface counters, such quartz or corian, and plenty of storage space, including a refrigerator like to one found in a home, the gourmet kitchen is a focal point. Usually, the dining space has a lovely table and seats that are ideal for sharing meals with loved ones or visitors. With a large closet, a king-sized bed with a high-end mattress, and frequently a private entertainment system, the master suite is a private haven. With 2 vanities, premium fixtures, and a large glass-enclosed shower, the adjacent and suite bathroom is a spa-like haven. With tasteful lighting, high-end fixtures, and well-considered storage options everywhere, attention to detail is crucial. The 2026 Essex 4502 embodies intelligent living in addition to elegance. Modern technology is incorporated by Newmar to improve comfort, safety, and convenience. With a complete smart home automation system, residents may use touchscreens or mobile devices to control the lighting, climate, entertainment, and security systems. Having high-speed internet access, frequently via satellite, guarantees that you stay connected no matter where your travels take you. Expect cutting-edge infotainment technologies in the living quarters and cockpit, as well as strong solar panels and a sizable battery bank for prolonged off-grid operation. Driving is made safer and more confident with safety technologies including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree video system. The 2026 Newmar Essex 4502 diesel pusher is essentially the pinnacle of combining strong performance with opulent lifestyle. It's a well-tuned motorcoach made for adventurers who don't want to sacrifice comfort, style, or the newest mobile technology. It is the pinnacle of Newmar's dedication to providing an unmatched recreational vehicle experience.